Make a great choice today with the 2008 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, cruise control, trip computer, multifunctional information center, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.